The market shows significant growth over the past 2 weeks, while Bitcoin surpassed 50% in terms of market dominance for the first time in 2 years. And the icing on the cake is that the first crypto outperformed all asset classes in the first half of 2023, with a gain of about 84%. Hey there, I'm Leonora, and in this video I will share with you some of the most significant news in the world of crypto. But first, subscribe to our channel, like this video and hit the notification bell below to stay in the know of the latest market situation. So, let's get started! The second half of June turned out to be positive for many cryptos, and Bitcoin in particular. Bitcoin reached the 30,000 mark for the second time in 2023. Such levels were last observed in April, but soon the correction began, with Bitcoin's price falling to $25,000. The reason behind the latest growth is a new wave of Bitcoin ETF filings by the largest asset managers, such as BlackRock, WisdomTree, Invesco, and others. Just imagine Grayscale's GBTC trading volume has spiked by around 400% after BlackRock filed for Bitcoin ETF. Amid all this, Bitcoin managed to secure a 50% market share for the first time since April 2021. On top of this, according to data from Glassnode, market participants locked in $537 million in profit from Bitcoin. Most altcoins have not been so successful over the past 2 weeks. The selling pressure on them has slightly decreased compared to the beginning of June. However, the growth was much weaker than that of Bitcoin. Although it's worth noting that two coins, Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, did manage to demonstrate impressive growth. Bitcoin Cash gained 213%, while Litecoin grew by over 43%. The number of active addresses and new addresses is back on the rise for Litecoin. Such growth is associated with the launch of EDX Markets exchange backed by Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Citadel. The new exchange offers trading in 4 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. Institutional investors have finally started showing interest in crypto assets after 9 weeks of outflows. According to CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows totaling approximately $325 million over the past 2 weeks. Bitcoin remained the primary focus of investors, representing 98% of all these flows. K33 research shows that Bitcoin's growth is mainly driven by institutional investors from the US. When it comes to altcoins and multi-assets products, these saw minor inflows. Market participants also keep accumulating Bitcoin. Thus, shrimps, or Bitcoin addresses holding less than 1 BTC, and fish, or addresses holding between 50 and 100 BTC, accumulate about 2,086 BTC per day. According to Glassnode, shrimps add to their holdings more than 33,000 Bitcoins per month. Cryptocurrency is also accumulated by Bitcoin addresses, holding from 100 to 1,000 BTC. They bought about 36% of the coins mined during the day. In general, wallets with balances between 10 and 10,000 BTC have accumulated almost 155,000 BTC in just 7 weeks only. Now we can be sure that long-term investors will start selling only when BTC will approach its all-time high. Why? That's because almost 70% of all Bitcoins haven't moved for more than 1 year. The introduction of Bitcoin ordinals in the first quarter of 2023 proved to be a game changer. Since its inception, Bitcoin miners have generated 1,761 BTC in transaction fees from inscription transactions. This is 22% of all miner revenues since January this year. However, despite all the positive things happening with BTC, there is often a fly in the ointment. The SEC SEC said that a recent wave of applications filed by asset managers to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs were not sufficiently clear and comprehensive. As a result, the price of the first crypto corrected a bit. But still, on-chain data shows that 1.84 million addresses bought nearly 910,000 BTC. The price of the purchase was between almost $30,000 and $31,000. As long as Bitcoin can hold up on top of this demand zone, it has a good chance of advancing toward even 35,000. And some good news for Ripple fans. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has approved Ripple's application for a major payment institution license in principle. The license allows Ripple to offer regulated digital payments token products and services and expand customers' use of XRP. While XRP's price hasn't demonstrated large growth, XRP whales holding between 10 million and 100 million XRP believe in the asset's growth and keep accumulating tokens, buying them on the dip. Now let's take a closer look at the achievements of other altcoins. Sentiment noted a surge in the number of Peppa whale transactions. Dash completed its halving, with the block reward reduced to 2.3 Dash. Meanwhile, PayPal veterans launch a Swift-like cross-border payments network on the Sui blockchain. Another payment giant, Mastercard, also accelerates opportunities for blockchain innovation. It is setting up a testbed, dubbed to multi-token network to explore tokenized bank deposits. Plus, the company expands its exchange program to support the launch of cryptocurrency card programs. Finally, some predictions for July. July has historically been the best month for Bitcoin since 2009. When we consider only the last 5 years, then October will be the best month, but July still ranks second. So that's all for today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and click the notification bell below.